In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in HubStaff. If you're organizing staff members inside HubStaff, creating a team is a simple way to keep people grouped together and make management much easier. This can be especially helpful if you want to separate employees by department, project, role, or workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can create a team quickly and confidently. To begin, make sure you're logged into your HubStaff account and that you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your workspace. In the sidebar, locate the People section. You may see a small arrow next to it. Go ahead and click that small arrow to expand the menu. This will reveal additional options related to managing users and team structure. If the menu is already expanded, you can move straight to the next step. From the expanded People menu, click on Team. This will take you to the section where existing teams are listed and where new ones can be created. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before continuing, especially if your account includes multiple management sections. Once you're on the team page, look for the option that says Add Team and click on it. This is the button that starts the team creation process. After selecting it, HubStaff will open the setup flow for your new team. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts. HubStaff will guide you through the details needed to create the team. Depending on your account setup, this may include entering a team name, selecting team members, or confirming certain settings. As you go through each screen, read the prompts carefully so the team is created the way you want it. A helpful tip here is to choose a team name that is clear and easy to recognize later. That makes navigation simpler, especially if you plan to create multiple teams in the future. It's also a good idea to double check the members or options you select before finishing, just to avoid needing edits afterward. Once you complete the prompts, your new team should be created and ready to use inside HubStaff. From there, you can continue managing people more efficiently within the platform, and that's how to create a team in HubStaff.